Hi, we're going to do a short walkthrough through the code of the personal finance app that I built. This is a model view control structure in MVC with Sinatra and Active record using CRUD methodologies. So, one of the first things I did, I was going to leave in the link below, you'll be able to get the GitHub for this. You can clone it to your computer, follow along if you'd like. So one of the first things we do is set our config environment. Right here we require a bundler, then connect our database with this. Require all that here in order to run all these programs. And then we can connect our config RU. We're requiring this file right here. And then we can go ahead and set our controllers as well here. We have our 3 controllers here. So from here, we'll go to the user's controller, have a look, and we have our views for the users right here. Okay, look to sign up. So you can see we have our post action for our form, and then we have the standard CRUD methodologies here for some of our create and update actions. Checking for parameters, and redirecting if we don't find those parameters, or creating a new user, and then checking if that user saved correctly. We can go ahead and set the session user ID and redirect to that appropriate bill, or excuse me, to that user. Then you can see here we have a very similar methodology for our login. We just authenticate. This is where sessions come in handy. And then I guess we should take a look back at the models. So something we would have done already prior to doing all of this work would be creating these models. So for a user, we have many bills for each user. We use this method right here, has secure password. And it's going to allow us to use sessions with our users in order to authenticate people. So, and then we also have our different views for user. This is where we because we have access to this @user variable, we can then use Ruby methodology to pull out specific information such as a bill amount, and then show multiple bill amounts at once. We got a couple of links right here just to log out and then go back to the home page as well. And then just to take a look at bills real quick in a very similar fashion. So the bills won't be session enabled, but they will be through the user technically. You can see here, just following these same methodologies really, the CRUD methodologies that is. Checking, using the logged in method to check if the user is appropriately logged in. And then if the params are all correct, we can redirect to, well, right here it's saying if params are not, if they're empty, we would redirect to the edit page, but if they're correct, we would create a new bill and then set that as the current user, and then here we would update based on the parameters and then redirect to that appropriate bill, show page for that bill. We're redirecting back to the edit page unless these parameters are met within this statement here. And then here's our delete method as well for bills. So anyway, that was a pretty sloppy walkthrough, but we'll have a look at the app and in action, and then we can go from there. So you can take it into your terminal here while you're inside the file and just run shotgun. And just go ahead and follow this link. I already have it up here, so here you can see. Let's go over. So here we are. We want to sign up. Want to sign up. So this is what we're looking at right here with sign up. Let's see, we'll create a user. So now we've created this user, and it's going to this redirected us to our show page. And we currently don't have any bills, so let's take care of that. We have this create. This is the page we're looking at right here, excuse me. We had redirected to the bills, not the user. So I clicked on create another bill, and that has taken us to the bills new page. Okay, so here we are. And that takes us to the bills show page. Excuse me, to the bills index page. The show page is for the specific bill. The bills page would be for all of your bills. And something else I added in here, I wanted to also add to show the annual yearly sum for that bill. So just doing a little extra Ruby here, taking that bills amount dot sum times 12. And let's see. So that, I guess we're going to be creating a bill. So here we have both of our bills, and then our currently monthly total, which we have right here. And then we have our sum total, which we have right here. And then we have check out all your bills, click on a bill to edit. So we'll click on rent. We'll make this 1200 instead. We can see all the appropriate changes have been made. And also we'll go back to the electric and we'll delete this bill. And delete redirects us back to the bills home index. You can see we've eliminated that bill from there. So from here we can also log out. And then you can, log back in, excuse me, right here, or go home. Or you can also sign up or log in again. Let's see, I think that's everything for this short walkthrough. I'll leave the link for this project down in the code below. If you have any questions, please ask. Thanks.